Okay, video after waterproof. That's a coat of rubber over everything. If water ever gets back there, it should run down to the tub and not have any problems. But years ago, we never waterproofed because if you install the tile right, which means you have to caulk every corner, you will never have no leaks. A good tile installation will guarantee you have no leaks, but this is just something, an extra precaution, especially when you're working upstairs. But if you remember, there was a drop ceiling in. I eliminated the drop ceiling and raised that light up. Put a soap recess right there. Start tiling tomorrow. And that is going to be this tile right here. I've done got a lot all pre-cut and ready to rock and roll. And that's going to be my back walls. My cut on each side, and these should be my side walls. Give you an update when I get done with tile.